Okay, so in this video I will show that how to install virtual environment on Ubuntu machines. Okay, so for that case I have to first install virtual environment package. So how to do that? Basically, env. So you have to install virtual environment here, ins install, and that should be through pip3. Okay, so I'm assuming pip3 is already installed. So if we hit enter, it will should be already I have installed it. So requirement already satisfied, that means already virtual environment is installed. So now let me create a different folder where we want to keep all the packages, all the supporting packages for the specific projects through virtual environment. So let me just go to, I'll be just creating on the desktop. So I'm just going to the desktop. Now I'm just creating a directory, that is, let's say tf virtual environment. So this particular directory has been created, it is empty right now. So now I'm just going into that. Now I'm just going to create a separate folder with the virtual environment. So what to do, basically, virtualenv, and now give the folder name, let's say test1. So it is creating a directory under tf_vnv. Now just let me go inside of it. It is being created. So we can see there are two folders, one is bin, another is a lib. So within that particular bin we have to activate these things, virtual environment. So what to do, basically, now I am inside tf_vnv. okay, so now I can just go to that particular directory, or you can, without going to that directory also, we can create the virtual environment. So if you want to create from there, exactly, if you want to activate the virtual environment, what to do, source, then the path. Okay, so the path is under, now I am in tf_vnv. now I have to go inside of it, test1 bin/activate. So now the virtual environment is activated under test1. okay, so whatever the things I'll be doing, it will be, everything will be installed within that test1 folder. So now I'll be installing TensorFlow. What to do, basically, so pip and pip3, both of it will work. Let me show you exactly what pip means. Pip is theirs, and which pip3, the same thing exactly. So we can use any one of the command. Let me use pip3 install upgrade TensorFlow. okay, now it will collect all the information from the web and install within the virtual environment. So if we go inside of it, tf_vnv test1 libraries python 3.8 site packages, so there is no TensorFlow yet. So now it will install within that particular directory. We will see. Let it be installed. So it takes some time. I'm pausing this video for a moment. Okay, so now this particular TensorFlow has been installed. Now we will check that which version of TensorFlow is installed. Let me run this Python. Okay, let me show you exactly which Python. It is basically within the virtual environment the Python is running. So let me activate. Okay, so now this is a Python terminal. So I'm importing TensorFlow. TensorFlow as tf. So it is basically imported. Now tf dot version, so it is 2.9.1. so now suppose I have to go to any one of the specific version. So what to do, basically, suppose some particular package has been some particular model has been created based on the TensorFlow 2.2.0, let's say. So what to do, basically I'll be using the same command pip3 install dash upgrade TensorFlow equals to 2.2.0. so it is collecting the informations. So it depends on the internet connectivity how long it takes time to install it. So it is installing the previous version, and now after that it is going to install this 2.2.0, and we will import the TensorFlow in the Python environment, and let's see exactly what version it is showing. So earlier this folder contains okay, TensorFlow 2.9. already 2.9 has been removed and 2.2.0 has been installed. Okay, this is now being done. Let me run Python. So I've imported TensorFlow. Now tf dot version, so it is now showing 2.2.0, the specific version which you want. It is being installed. Now if any pre-trained model is there which is based on the TensorFlow earlier versions, so you can import that model and just do run the model as well. So this is for this video. Now in this way you can also install some other packages as well. You can create some requirements.txt file as a text file within this particular folder, within this test one, and after that you can run this particular all the packages with specified version by these pip commands.